Hey everybody, welcome back to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we have another beautiful Mustang here. This is a 66. It's got a 289 in there. Red color. Black interior. Drives like a champ. Just an awesome all-around car. Interior's really nice. Very clean. Back seats. Very nice car. Beautiful. Grab the keys real quick. Trunk's in great condition. Very nice. Jump into the front seat here. Beautiful. All right, let's take it for a drive, put her on the hoist, and check on the view. Take it for a cruise. It is manual brake, manual steering. Makes that bump nice. Nice and smooth. Sounds really nice. I'm gonna get it back, put her on the hoist, check out underneath. Alright, got the 66 up here on the lift. Check her out, see how nice she is underneath. Absolutely beautiful. Go ahead and swing all the way around. Get some better lighting in here. Just a really nice car. If you have any questions or concerns, please give us a call, shoot us an email. We'd love to hear from you. If you're in the area, please come on, stop by. And if not, we can do a live FaceTime with you. All right, thanks for stopping by. Have a good day.